Hi everyone, the May brochure has landed and I want to talk through with you some of the ways that Harlech Foodservice can help your business save money this May. I'm sure you're all aware that prices globally are only going in one direction, and that's very much up. But here at Harlech Foodservice, this month we have over 150 was now promotional offers for you to take advantage of. Let's take a look at some of those now.
Save a whopping £10 when you buy Whitby battered scampi, 10 by 450 gram, now £55.89. And save up to £4 across the Hellmann's mayonnaise range, available on vegan, 5 litre and 10 litre sizes. And my personal favourite, save £2 off the caramel shortcake, now £15.19.
To view our brochure, go to www.harlech.co.uk. Look forward to seeing you all soon.